Hi everyone and welcome, it's Romy. We have learned in the last tutorials how to sew a duvet cover, a matching pillowcase as well as a custom-made fitted sheet. The links are in the description box below. Today I'm quickly going to show you how to fold your fitted sheet, and for that purpose, don't be surprised, I made a tiny little one which is going to be easier to film. Alright, first we need to insert this side into that side. Therefore, I'm going to turn this side out and insert each corner in its corresponding corner. Now, with a hand in each corner, I'm going to fold it in half and have the tips kissing each other. Then grab everything with one hand and turn the whole thing like a pair of socks. You can fold the width as needed in 2, 3 or even 4 according to the size of your sheet. I'm going for 2 even though it's not even necessary when it's that tiny, like for a crepe sheet for instance. And the same goes for the length. Fold it according to your needs. And it's going to be in half again for me. And voila, it's ready to be put away on a shelf or slipped in a drawer in true Marie Kondo style. Now you can have a look at the last tutorials if you want to learn how to make a beautiful bed set. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and to join me on Instagram as well. Bye bye! À bientôt!